In a world racing toward a sustainable future, energy systems are the backbone of innovation. At Siemens, we understand the challenges faced by power engineers and maintenance engineers. The need for reliability, efficiency, and sustainability has never been more critical. That's why we're redefining the landscape with Switchgear Retrofit solutions designed to empower your infrastructure, reduce carbon footprint, and enhance operational excellence. Retrofitting your switchgear extends its life, maximizes performance, and avoids the need for costly replacements, while also ensuring the availability of spare parts for your new vacuum circuit breaker. This is not just a step toward greater sustainability, it's a leap toward responsible energy management and environmental stewardship. Together, we can retrofit our way to a greener planet, ensuring reliability and resilience for tomorrow's world.